I think that art, whatever form it takes, is about communication. Being an artist, you can explore kind of any topic you want. It gives you a skill set to look at problems creatively and then tackle them in a wide variety of ways. I think that art is really about expressing something that can't be expressed in words alone. You're having a conversation, and that's really what it's about. That's why I feel really excited to be able to use Open House Contemporary to have that conversation with the people that visit. Open House Contemporary came about through a series of conversations with friends, and it is an ongoing, evolving project. I had a real drive to share all of this really exciting contemporary art, and I thought that this would be a really great experience for the people who were coming to Chicago to visit. As the Airbnb side of it took off, I was able to purchase the other units in the building. And that's when the idea of truly transforming it from just a condo that had visual art in it to truly a gallery that people could come and live at. The reason we chose contemporary art is that it's a current conversation. Contemporary artists are creating work about right now. To me, the most important thing is that the artists are excited about creating work that is going to be in a space where people get to live with it. One of the things that I think is really interesting about OHC is that we do have these 3 different levels, and they allow us to create a different vibe in each one. The biggest factor in how each floor feels is what artwork is put in there, and that changes every exhibition. Floor number 2 right now is really playful. It's got a lot of whimsical, colorful art. Number 3 gets a little more serious and contemplative. On number 4 at the moment, there's a lot of art that was truly meant kind of to speak to other artists. Guests at Open House Contemporary can expect to be in the middle of an incredibly exciting neighborhood with the entire city at their fingertips. You got great restaurants, galleries, shops, bars. You can be downtown in 10 minutes. You can be in Logan Square in 15. River West is one of the easiest neighborhoods to get around Chicago from. Open House Contemporary's mission is to provide a truly interesting place to stay while visiting Chicago. A big part of what I want people to feel when they're here is to feel at home. The goal is to create an overall environment that is compelling and yet welcoming. OHC is a place for art lovers to come, be inspired, relax with their families, and enjoy Chicago. I'm Matthew Kellen, and this is Open House Contemporary.